Hi, this is James, and I'm excited to let you know that Dr. Ifyok Enkam is launching Local Agency Box on 18 February 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern. Local Agency Box is going to skyrocket your agency business this year and for years to come. I got a quick demo and a walkthrough coming up. Before that, subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to show you tips, tricks, and techniques on how to boost your business, you shall receive them. Okay, let's head on over and have a look at the demo and walkthrough of Local Agency Box.
Welcome to this quick demo of Local Agency Box Reloaded. Local Agency Box is a full-blown, done-for-you marketing and branding solution that allows anyone to start and scale a widely profitable agency that sells high in-demand services to local businesses. In this edition, you get access to 12 done-for-you agency marketing kits for 12 lucrative agency niches, plus 52 weeks coaching live on Zoom. Wow! Let's take a quick look at the quality of assets that comes with this package. 12 professional agency websites. You get 12 beautiful and highly professional agency websites ready to go. Each site comes with pre-made copy, content, and graphics to impress and convert your prospects into paying clients. See? The websites are super easy to install and 100% editable with WordPress Elementor. Next, 12 ready-made web banners and commercial graphics pack. Popping visual content is key in catching the attention of prospects these days, so we created a pack of all the graphic assets you'll ever need for all your branding and marketing. You get brochures, letterheads, invoice templates, business cards, etc. All done for you for 12 niches. Next, Pimp to Sell telemarketing scripts. We're also giving you Designed to Hypnotize complete telemarketing scripts for different sales scenarios across all 12 niches. Even a novice can use these scripts to close clients almost effortlessly. It works like magic. Next, Copy and Swipe cold email sequence. We're giving you a pro-written, ready-to-email email sequence for each agency. Simply copy and paste into your favorite autoresponder to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. Next, done-for-you Facebook ad creative. You don't like talking to people, knocking on doors, or doing cold calls? No problem. You can make your clients come to you instead. You can run targeted Facebook ads with the ready-to-deploy ads creatives that come with this package. All you have to do is copy and paste for any of the 12 niches. That's not all. In this edition, we included 12 PowerPoint and Keynote presentation slides. Simply walk your prospects through this persuasive presentation and watch them beg you to take their money. The presentation slides are loaded with professionally designed graphics and content specifically crafted to convince your prospect into taking action right now. In fact, from our tests, 2 out of every 5 prospects that sees this presentation writes us a check. Also is the attorney-drawn contract or agreement template for each of the 12 agency niches. Contracts and agreements are important to run a successful agency business, but if you go to an attorney for this, you'll be charged hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just to get one contract done. So we hired a US-based attorney to draft a contract template to seal up this package. Cool, right? Remember, you're getting every asset for each of the 12 lucrative niches. We created all the assets for copywriting service agency, visual tour and VR marketing agency, Facebook ad agency, social media marketing agency, web design agency, graphics design agency, messenger bot and mobile app agency, restaurant agency. We also have all assets for SEO agency, and finally for content marketing agency. And yet, that's still not all. As I said, this edition comes with not only the assets, but the training and coaching you need to finally start getting results online. With this package, you get access to Agency Accelerator Training. This training walks you through the A to Z of how to start, run, and scale a successful agency business step by step. Drop Servicing and Agency Arbitrage Training. If you don't have the skill or the time to deliver any of these services yourself, then this training is specially for you. You'd learn how to drop service by getting other people to do the work while you act only as a middleman. Private Skype Mentorship. This takes place in our premium mentorship group where we share and provide one-on-one mentorship to all our premium users. Success Flyover weekly internet business and client attraction trainings for 52 weeks. Most members get results from the second week. Weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks. With this, you never have to walk alone because we'll literally coach you till you start seeing results. Wow! 52 weeks of live coaching sessions included in the front end. This is a no-brainer, guys. If you ever bought the commercial or agency license for any software or product, then this package is for you. Take action today and claim this deal for the ridiculously low one-time fee it's currently going for. But you'd have to act fast. This is a special offer and it's not going to be here forever. See you inside.
So here we are on the sales page of Local Agency Box, and I'm just going to go through and pick out the nuggets that will help you decide if this is the tool that is indeed going to skyrocket your earnings this year and for the years to come. So Local Agency Box allows you to finally put all those commercial licenses and agency licenses that you have picked up from previous launches and put it to use and actually take your agency business to the next level. So if your NCAM is not just selling you this and walking away, he has thrown in 52 weeks of coaching to make sure that you succeed when you pick up Local Agency Box. So with Local Agency Box, you set up your own marketing consultancy business. You keep all the profits. You save time and money by using their done-for-you marketing tools. So you don't need to start from scratch. So you can hit the ground running when you pick up Local Agency Box because they have ready-made websites, proposals, graphics, contracts, and everything else that you need to run this successfully. And they are even going to reveal, as you saw from the demo, how you can become an agency without really doing the work yourself. Now, thrown in with Local Agency Box is 12 done-for-you agency marketing kits, which I'm going to show what they are in a moment. And there are special bonuses when you pick it up now during this special launch period. Agency Accelerator Training, which was mentioned in the demo, Drop Servicing and Agency Arbitrage Service, which is where you can run this without doing the work yourself. You get Success Flyover weekly internet business and client attraction trainings. That's weekly, mind you, for 52 weeks. Weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks and Skype product group meetings. And therefore, an opportunity to join the client challenge as well. And I can tell you, guys, that challenges will definitely make sure that you get things done rather than taking it at your own pace. You are forced to go through the journey with a community, and therefore you will get things done. So the price is a crazy low price, which I shall also reveal in a moment. So when you're on this landing page, you will go through information about what the benefits of agency businesses and those who have been successful, like Neil Patel and Gary Vaynerchuk, and what their thoughts are about this. And I just want to jump into the meat. So what you also see here on the sales page, it shows you what it will cost you and the time that will take if you were to do everything on your own, if you were to outsource stuff. So they have info about how much money and time you're going to spend if you outsource the creation of your agency website, creation of proposals, creation of ads, branding kits, graphics, print graphics, high converting email swipes. And on top of that, you also need telemarketing scripts, and that's also pretty expensive and time consuming to come up with. Well, forget about legal contracts because that is going to burn a huge hole in your pocket because you need to employ an attorney and they don't come cheap. So to cut to the chase, guys, Local Agency Box provides you with everything that I just went through earlier. And here they are. So you get done for you tools, ready-made marketing agency website, ready-made proposals, professional proposals, commercial graphics, telemarketing scripts as well, which you can use on your own or outsource if you wish. Done for you Facebook ads, web banners, Google ads, and they got an attorney to create the legal contracts so you are safe. But mind you, these are US contracts, so you may need to modify it for your own country. And they have also created cold call email sequences. So here's the price, guys, $37. Unbelievable. $37 one-time fee. And if you use the coupon code LAB3, you get a further slash of the price down by $3. So let's go through the lucrative agency niches that these 12 consultant kits have been made for. So the first one is video marketing agency, and you can read through all these. The second one is mobile app agency kit. Third one is bot agency. Fourth is social media marketing agency. Fifth is Facebook ads business agency. Sixth is web design business agency. Number 7 is SEO business agency. 8 is design business agency. 9 is content marketing business agency. 10 is restaurant business agency. 11 is copywriting business agency. And finally, virtual tour business agency. So each one of these agency kits that I went through consists of ready-made marketing consultant websites, done for you PowerPoint and Word proposal presentation to close clients instantly, highly optimized cold email sequence, stunning commercial graphics package, done for you Facebook ads creatives, done for you pimped to sell telemarketing scripts, an attorney drawn contract agreement, done for you web banners and Google ads. And of course, they're going to hold your hand for the next 52 weeks with the special agency accelerator training, drop servicing and agency arbitrage, 52 weeks of coaching, and the weekly live trainings, plus the Skype group mentoring sessions. So as you can see here, if you were to, on the left-hand side, use or outsource the creation to other agencies, it's going to cost you a big bundle. Compared to if you just pick up Local Agency Box, it's not going to be $47, but $37, or maybe even $34 if you apply the code LAB3 and just 30 minutes getting everything done yourself by compiling and composing and stitching everything together, and you are good to go. And you can get all that done in 30 minutes. So fear not, you also have a money-back guarantee, which is 30 days. And if your NCAM guarantees that you can test drive this for 30 days, and if you are unhappy for whatever reason, just request for your refund, and he will honor it. Now, guys, there are also special launch bonuses that Ifyok is giving away. Number one is exclusive access to their drop service assets. Bonus number two is exclusive rights to use their testimonials and case studies that they have received over the last several years. Bonus number three is an email swipe bank of 3,000 emails. Bonus number four is 365 days social media calendar. Bonus number five is how to close high-paying clients. And bonus number six is guard down sales script. So here are the upsells. Number one is local video kit reloaded, going for $47 one time. Upsell number two is client finder, going for $47 one time. Upsell three is marketing blocks AI. Upsell four is local agency apps, either for $197 or $147. Upsell number five is local agency box reseller and the white label licenses, going for either $97 or $197. Okay, people. So if Yoke is conducting a webinar at 10 a.m., 18th February 2022. So if you are watching this video before 11 a.m., 18th February, make sure you register for this webinar. Get in there because you're going to get some goodies and freebies because there is a free copy to win as well. So you will land on this registration page for the webinar when you click on the link directly below this video, which will take you to my bonus page, which will show you the bonuses that you shall receive from me when you pick up Local Agency Box through my link. And there is a button there which you can click or scroll all the way down to the page, and there is a link. And when you click on either the button or that link, you will end up on this page and you can register for it. Now, this is a long registration page which reveals everything that I have already gone through about what Local Agency Box is. So scroll all the way down and register right at the bottom of this long webinar registration page. There you go. And all you have to do is drop a review and you qualify to win a free copy, provided you are there during the webinar itself. So people, I hope this quick walkthrough of Local Agency Box has shown you the power of Local Agency Box in helping you utilize all the agency licenses, commercial licenses that you have been collecting from past launches, but probably didn't have a clue on how to put it to maximum usage. So if Yoke is showing you how to maximize usage of all your agency licenses. And if you found any value from this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications. And remember, once again, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that I have prepared especially for you when you pick up Local Agency Box through my link. And I wish you great success with Local Agency Box.